Welcome to Riverside Mall, Hackensack, New Jersey. Last night there was a heavy snow, and this morning you still see some flurry here. We are heading to Cheesecake Factory this morning for our lunch. This is our favorite Cheesecake Factory, as I mentioned many times. Alright, let's go inside. Alright, let's go. It's only 11:20 in the morning. Okay. Alright, we got our table here. Alright, since it's really early in the morning, you don't see many customers yet.
Can I get one coffee?
Coffee, any half and half with milk on the side?
Yes, please.
Milk or half and half?
Milk, please.
Milk? And are you ready to order? Would you like more
Actually, we are
time?
ready to order.
Yeah, what can I get you?
Yeah. Can I get one pepperoni Alfredo pasta?
Do you want to add something to it or just how it comes?
Just say no, nothing else.
Nothing? Fettuccine Alfredo?
It should be the lunch portion.
Lunch?
please.
No problem.
And also spicy legatori vodka
Lunch as well?
lunch as well. And finally, we wanna get some steak diet.
And how do you like the steak Diane?
Medium rare, please.
Medium rare?
Alright, you want to try their signature bread. Oh, looking great.
Can I get some more bread, please?
Yes. These are the three main dishes that we place order today. Oh, looks great. Alright, let's enjoy food together. Once again, this is from Cheesecake Factory, our favorite casual dining restaurant.
Thank you so much.
Alright, we got some more bread. How is it?
Very good.
Alright, they love the taste. How's the taste? She loves it. 지금까지 치즈케이크 팩토리였습니다. Enjoy your day. Bye bye.